Late Kabon Mili Timungpi, a legend of inspiration from northeast India. Late Kabon Mili Timungpi, also known as Boneli Khongmen, was a trailblazing figure whose life and achievement served as a beacon of inspiration for many. Born on June 25, 1912 in Umswai Amri, currently located in West Karbi Anglong, her journey from humble beginnings to becoming a revered leader is a testament to her determination, intelligence, and commitment to her people and nation. Kabon Timungpi's early life was marked by academic excellence. She was the first person among the Karbi community to pass the Matriculation examination in 1926. Her pursuit of education did not stop there. She went on to complete her intermediate arts in 1928 to 29. Kabon continued to break barriers by becoming the first Karbi to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree in 1932 and subsequently a Master of Arts degree in 1935 to 36 from Shillong, Meghalaya. Her foray into politics was equally groundbreaking. She was elected as a member of the Legislative Assembly from 1946 to 1951, even before the creation of Karbi Anglong. In 1951, she made history by becoming the first women member of parliament from northeast India. Her tenure as an MP was marked by her active participation in legislative debates and her unwavering commitment to the welfare of her constituents. One of the most notable milestones in her illustrious career was representing the Indian Republic as a delegate at the United Nations Organization, in short UNO, in 1955, during the 10th General Council of the United Nations. This role highlighted her diplomatic acumen and her ability to represent her country on the global stage. Beyond her political achievements, Kabon Timungpi also held significant position in public administration. She served as the chairperson of the Union Public Service Commission, in short UPSC, for 6 months, showcasing her leadership skills and dedication to public service. Furthermore, she was the first chairman of the Kohima Public Service Commission from 1970 to 1973 and later chaired the Nagaland Salary Commission from 1973 to 1975. Late Kabon Mili Timungpi's life journey came to an end on March 17, 2007, when she passed away at the age of 94 in Shillong. Her legacy, however, continues to inspire countless individuals across northeast India and beyond. She remains a symbol of perseverance, intelligence, and service, embodying the spirit of progress and empowerment for future generations. News Desk Report, Northeast Karbi Live.